It is day 3 of our vacation.
Which,
Oh, it hurts to say that. Today's Monday, so we still have another full week, over a week until we go back to work, because we get next Monday off, Memorial Day. Just walking around, gonna try to find some breakfast down Seaside, and we're just checking out all the construction down here. Being that I work construction, there's a lot of cool construction to see. All right.
Really good. And then they gave us an extra cinnamon roll, essentially by accident, but
Free cinnamon.
not much to complain about.
That's
We're
right.
not working. So
We're
this
not
is
working.
nice.
It's nice
Great.
to have a few days off.
Now we're walking to dinner, and we're currently in Watercolor.
Seaside, right?
We're walking to Seaside. Yep.
Yep.
We're gonna go check out the, well, they're not food trucks, they're like food streams, right? Because they're a bunch of Airstreams.
Yeah. Sun isn't quite out, but
This town, all the towns down here are just so picturesque, but they're like, all the houses are like $7 million, so we'll be moving here anytime soon.
but maybe someday. Maybe
someday.
Yeah, we'll
But-
see. We'll see.
Okay. Just had dinner from the Meltdown, and we got grilled cheese, and I had the 5 cheese, which was really good, and then Michael had the caprese, and we had chips, and Michael and I both got Coke, and that never happens. Michael's on vacation, so we can have his vacation Coke.
That's right.